Good evening, ma'am. My name is Swati Yadav from 5.8 and my roll number is 5417. My assignment topic is stratified random sampling. Now, contents: history, advantages, disadvantages, stratified random sampling, references, and external links related to the topic. Now, history. Stratification is the process of dividing members of the population into homogeneous subgroups before sampling. The strata should define a partition of the population, that is, it should be collectively exhaustive and mutually exclusive. Every element in the population must be assigned to one and only one stratum. Then, simple random sampling or systematic sampling is applied within each stratum. Now, advantages. The first advantage is if measurements within strata have lower standard deviation, stratification gives smaller error in estimation. Second, for many applications, measurements become more manageable or cheaper when the population is grouped into strata. Third, it is often desirable to have estimates of the population parameters for groups within the population. Disadvantages: stratified sampling is not useful when the population cannot be exhaustively partitioned into disjoint subgroups. It would be a misapplication of the technique to make subgroups sample sizes proportional to the amount of data available from the subgroups rather than scaling sample sizes to subgroup sizes. Example: by means of an F test, data representing each subgroup are taken to be of equal importance if suspected variation among them warrants stratified sampling. If subgroup variances differ significantly and the data needs to be stratified by variance, it is not possible to simultaneously make each subgroup sample size proportional to the subgroup size within the total population. Now, stratified random sampling. Stratified random sampling is a method of sampling that involves division of a population into smaller subgroups known as strata. In stratification, the strata is formed based on members' shared attributes or characteristics such as income or education attainment. Stratified random sampling is also called proportional random sampling or quota random sampling. Now, there are some references and external links related to the topic. Thank you.